Welcome guys, this is Xplonomad. This is the mic test. Audio test of medium mode attached to the camera. Hope the audio is captured clearly. And so I have not used any other external connectivity or mics. It is just the medium mode itself, and it's a easy setup, and so it does not need any other extra wires or mics running in the helmet. So hope this audio is captured properly. This is just a short test ride to check the audio quality from the medium mode without any other external mics connected. So I had to replace the medium mode. To see because that was not picking up the audio, so I had to replace this, and so with this I feel the quality should be improved or the device function properly, and I can use this hereafter all the right vlogs. Let's fix the external mic and see how it performs. So now I have connected the Maono external mic, and hope so the video audio is again clear. This is the mic test with the external mic connected to the action camera. So for all the beginners, either we can use a medium mode or we can use this kind of setup. So fix the medium mode to the camera, and then you need to plug in the external mic with the adapter or the jack that comes with it. So it's a whole package. So somewhere around 400 to 500 rupees you get this Maono audio, and it captures the audio pretty neatly, and even at high speeds the audio is properly captured. Hello, Bansina. So even when you go at high speeds and you vlog, and the audio should be captured without any wind or the background noise, so we need the noise cancellation. So this is just a beginner setup, and people who want to start the YouTube channel vlogs, so this way it can be done. So this is just a short ride to test. See you guys again in my next video. Thank you for watching.